In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use limit orders on Coinbase Advanced Trade. This tutorial is designed to help you understand the process, so let's dive right in and make the most of your trading experience. First, you want to open the Coinbase app and navigate over to the Advanced Trade section. This is where you'll find all the tools necessary for engaging in more sophisticated trading activities. Once you're in the Advanced Trade interface, your next step is to tap on Trade. This button is your gateway to selecting from a variety of trading options, allowing you to buy or sell cryptocurrencies depending on what you're aiming for today. Next, you'll need to select your trading pair. For instance, if you're interested in trading Bitcoin for US dollars, then you would select the BTC USD trading pair. This step is crucial because it defines what currencies you will be exchanging. Coinbase offers a wide range of trading pairs, so ensure you have the correct pair based on your strategic goals. Now you want to opt for limit as your order type. Limit orders are excellent for traders who wish to buy or sell assets at a specific price rather than at the current market rate. By choosing this order type, you're taking control, deciding the exact price you deem acceptable for the trade, and potentially maximizing your profit margin. With your order type selected, it's time to enter the price at which you want to buy or sell. This gives you a point of control over your transaction. Unlike market orders, which execute instantly at the current price, a limit order ensures that your trade will only execute at the price you have set. No more, no less. So carefully consider the current market conditions and set your price accordingly. Another critical step is to set the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Here, you can specify how much of the asset you're looking to purchase or liquidate. Make sure this aligns with your financial goals and strategy. The next consideration is how long you want the order to stay active. You have options here such as good till cancelled. This means your order will remain in effect until it achieves the set price or until you choose to cancel it manually. It's a convenient feature for those who are not in a rush to complete their trades and prefer to wait for optimal market conditions. Before finalizing the transaction, it's important to review all the details. Double checking ensures that everything is in order and aligns with your trading objectives. Once satisfied, go ahead and place the order. Remember, with a limit order, the transaction will complete only when the market price matches your specified price. This can mean waiting for the right market conditions, but it's also what makes limit orders so powerful. They offer you the flexibility and control to trade on your terms. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use limit orders on Coinbase Advanced Trade. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.